Hello everyone. I'm sorry it's been so long since we've made a video. Unfortunately, we have very sad news. Not only is my garden underwater, the worst flooding I've ever seen, but we have very sad news that Ray has passed away, and that's why we haven't been back. We had planned we were going to get a late start because we were writing a book under contract, as you know, but we had planned to, and we had footage and projects and things we were working on. We had actually changed the book contract to a gardening book, and we were making some fabulous, really cool projects. And in the meantime, things were going downhill for our family, and I will explain more about that later, but we're just going to let that sink in for right now, that he has passed away, and unfortunately he will no longer be with us. And it's been a real struggle for our family. It is very difficult to make this video and talk about it at all, especially standing in a garden we built for 24 years under 6 inches of water and no hope in sight for it to drain. This will probably be weeks, if not months, to get this water out of here. So anyway, I'm sorry this is kind of a Debbie Downer video, but there was going to have to be a time where I had to voice these words and let you know. But we are so grateful. We have surpassed 10,000 subscribers, and people are interested in what we're doing here, and they're interested in gardening, and that is wonderful. Even without videos, we have not lost subscribers. We've actually gained subscribers, which we just can't be more grateful. And we hope you will stick with us until we decide what is going to happen with this channel. Right now, we are just kind of hanging on. Just trying to figure out what the next step is. But there is some good news. I will be making some videos, but they will be different. For right now, the garden channel is going to kind of rest like it's been doing, and so that I can absorb and this can become a happy place again instead of a sad place. But I'm going to, what I've been doing to keep my sanity is hike the trails. I've been section hiking, I've been hiking with a group, I've been hiking with friends, I've been sharing my experiences with other people, and we've gotten tremendous amounts of support. So what I will be doing, my next great adventure will be, I am going to spring of 2024, somewhere at the end of March, beginning of April, I'm going to walk the Appalachian Trail. All 2,200 miles, a little less, but it will be over 2,200 miles by the time it gets done, with trips to town, blue trails to water, trying to find water and things like that. So I will be doing that adventure, and I'm seeing it as a path through to something, not an escape, and a way to move forward. So I hope you'll stick with us. Sorry, the wind is picking up again, so I have to wrap this video up before the tripod goes over. But I hope you'll join us. I will put a video link of, if you're joining us for the first time, I apologize. We aren't gloom and doom around here. This is usually a really positive, happy thing. But I will put a link below to what this garden looks like normally, when it's not winter, dormancy, and this terrible, terrible storm and flooding that we've had. But I hope you can hear me still over this wind. I will also put a link down there. I will be vlogging my Appalachian Trail journey on @TiggerTreks. You can find it all one word, @TiggerTreks. You have to put that in to find the channel, or I'll put a link below. Just click on that link and you'll find the channel. It only has a couple of videos as of now. I've just started the channel. And yeah, so come on an adventure with me and see what the Appalachian Trail is all about. And maybe if you're struggling too and you've had a great loss in your life, you will get something from it. But I hope you have a great day as always, and hopefully 2024 will be a better year. It's not starting off great, but hopefully it will get better. So I love you all. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. And I'll hopefully see you in the next video or on my Appalachian Trail journey. Bye. That's heavy. Shoot, where'd it go? Do they frown on us getting in?
I don't know. There's no signs of saying no, and it looks like a wading pool, but I feel like no one else is doing it.
Frown upon it, I would imagine.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Riley. Happy birthday to you. This beautiful garden.
The tree. The tree. When you were in...
Action. Ray, get skipping. Awesome. This is happiness at Nemours French Gardens and Mansion. In Paris. It's just like being in Paris. And my shoe broke.
A broken shoe in Paris.